Hi, I'm Rainey, and I'd like to welcome you to my dream boat project. You know, one of my top bucket list projects is to build a yacht from scratch. It needs to be large enough to be able to enjoy weekend and day trips going up and down the East Coast. An office away from the office, a place for me to spend time with my children and my grandchildren, and ultimately to travel the Great Loop with. It's like I'm just breaking in a new tongue here. I'm not an experienced sailor, and I just kind of got my feet wet with the creation of the Seabiscuit, which is a 15-foot sailing canoe with outrigger. Now, you know, with any goal, especially to build a dream yacht, you need to have a plan. This channel is designed to be a record of that plan, starting with right from the very beginning of finding and choosing a design, building the yacht, discussing all the different building stages, what am I going to need, what required equipment, all the way down to the microwave or toaster oven, for planning my cruise excursions when it gets built, and being a travel log while living the dream. So I'd like to invite you to join me by subscribing to my channel and being part of my learning experience. I can use as many people as I can get as a sounding board to navigate the murky waters ahead. I'd like to ask you to join me on the ground floor of my second childhood. So please subscribe and be part of my dream boat project now. Really, go ahead and subscribe. It's right below there. See, if you look down, there's a button over there. It says subscribe. I'll wait. I don't know any sailing songs. So go ahead and subscribe or I'll make one up. There was a man from Nantucket. See you on the inside. Bye-bye.